How to add a clickable link in Instagram bio. Want to add a clickable link to your Instagram bio, whether it's your website, YouTube channel or online store. I will show you how to do it step by step. Let's get started. First of all, open your Instagram app on your phone and then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on edit profile, then scroll down and select link. Here tap add external link, enter your website URL and hit done. If you want to add multiple links, use Linktree, Bitcoin or Koji to manage them in one place. Once you have added the link, go back to your profile and you will see a clickable link right below your bio. And that's it. Now you have a clickable link in your Instagram bio. If you found this video helpful, make sure like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Instagram tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.